Hello everyone, in this particular video we will be solving the ninth question of the GATE paper. In this, we are given some steps in which we are folding a paper. We have to figure out whether the particular, after folding the paper and we unfold it after following the procedure, how the paper look like. So here, you can observe very well that your paper is here and assuming we fold it. So there will be a folding on this side, and if we fold it like this, then a folding happens on this length, but since the paper is already folded, the other side will also have a diagonal. So it is getting a four-sided fold. We have to now see which one matches. So if I put a star here, then the other side will also we have it in the opposite way, because if it is top for the one side, it will be bottom for the another side since the paper is folded. So this matches. Another thing is a box. Now, the paper is folded from this side as well. So when I make a half cut here, the other side, when unfolded, will make it like look like a box. So it will be near the diagonal, and it will be somewhat like this. And it should be on the other side as well, because paper is folded four times, two times basically, in a four-way direction. So another side will also have a box. Same, this would look something like this, because uh, as you can see, it will be like if I fold a paper, let me try to show it if there is any paper nearby. So if I fold this paper once, like over this, then this is what the paper will look like. And now if I just make a point here, then two sides will obviously have it, the one and the other. So opposite sides will have it if I make it. So this transformed back, if I unfold it, will look something like this. Now, since it is on the four edge side, so it will have a effect like this. That is why this option A looks pretty familiar with the given procedure. That's it for this particular video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.